physical and anatomical similarities. Living things on Earth are fundamentally similar in the way that their basic anatomical structures develop and in their chemical compositions. No matter whether they are simple single-celled protozoa or highly complex organisms with billions of cells, they all begin as single cell that reproduce themselves by similar division processes. After a limited lifespan, they also all grow old and die. All living things on Earth share the ability to create complex molecules out of carbon and a few other elements. In fact, 99% of the proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and other molecules of other living things are made from only 6 of the 92 most common elements. This is not a mere coincidence. All plants and animals receive their specific characteristics from their parents by inheriting particular combinations of genes. Molecular biologists have discovered that genes are, in fact, segments of DNA or molecules in our cells. These segments of DNA contain chemically coded recipes for creating proteins by linking together particular amino acids in specific sequences. All of the 10 of thousands of types of proteins in living things are mostly made of only 20 kinds of amino acids. Despite the great diversity of life on our planet, the simple language of the DNA code is the same for all living things. This is evidence of the fundamental molecular unity of life. In addition to molecular similarities, most living things are alike in that they either get the energy needed for growth, repair, and reproduction directly from sunlight by photosynthesis, or they get it indirectly by consuming green plants and other organisms that eat plants. Many groups of species have shared the same types of body structures because they inherited them from a common ancestors that had them. This is the case with the vertebrates, which are the animals that have internal skeletons. The arms of humans, the forelegs of dogs and cats, the wings of birds, and the flippers of whales and seals all have the same types of bones, because they have retained these traits of their shared common ancient vertebrate ancestor. All of these major chemical and anatomical similarities between living things can be most logically accounted for by assuming that they either share a common ancestry or they came into existence as a result of similar natural processes. These facts make it difficult to accept a theory of special and independent creature of different species.